Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start a strength training program with Gold's Gym easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, find a Gold's Gym location near you. Visit the gym's website to check membership options. Choose a membership plan that fits your needs and budget. Sign up for a membership either online or in person. Schedule a gym orientation or tour. During the orientation, ask questions about the equipment and facilities. Get familiar with the gym layout and where different muscle groups are located. Set clear fitness goals for your strength training program. Decide how many days per week you want to train. Create a balanced routine that includes all major muscle groups. Begin with a warm-up to prepare your body for exercise. Start with light weights to practice proper form and technique. Incorporate compound exercises like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses. Gradually increase the weight as you grow stronger. Rest for 30 to 60 seconds between sets. Keep a workout journal to track your progress. Aim for consistency and make adjustments as needed. Consider hiring a personal trainer for guidance and motivation. Stay hydrated and fuel your body with nutritious foods. Monitor your progress and celebrate small achievements. Listen to your body and take rest days to prevent injury. Stay committed and enjoy the journey to strength. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.